Okay, so I just asked and they told me that I needed to pay to come in this one, but the lady in front of me didn't pay. She just showed her previous ticket. Yeah, so this is the other palace. So yeah, the other lady, she didn't pay. She just showed her ticket. But maybe she paid for both palaces. Maybe you could pay for both palaces up front, and I didn't know that. I don't know, I'm learning here. Because obviously if I was in the palace, I had to pay to be in the palace. So I couldn't be in it if I hadn't already paid, right? So that's why I think, since the other lady only showed her ticket, that she paid for both. Okay, let me see, take pictures.
안물헌이라고 써요. 안물헌?
Oh my word, I'm so tired. I think I'm going to just keep walking. 감사합니다. Yeah, that lady was like taking pictures. She didn't know she had a line of people waiting to come out. Oh, look at how pretty that looks. Oh my word. Let me take a picture. I only have an hour and a half and then they're going to close. Let me take a picture. I was thinking I probably should have asked the lady if they give discounts if you pay for like maybe all of them at the same time, because but it's still really cheap, you know, because I paid $1,000 for the first one and $3,000 for this one. That's $4,000. So for the first one I paid like the equivalent of 75 cents and then for this one I paid the equivalent of like $3. So still really cheap, very inexpensive. I like that view right there. Let me see. Oh my word, I thought I was gonna go home. Oh my god, I'm in such pain. I don't want to go out tomorrow too, to this other palace. The other palace is really small because I've been there before. The other palace is really small. I went there one time when I was working with this tour guide, and so oh, okay, so that's where I was. I was over there on the other side. Looks pretty right here. Looks really pretty right here. Let me take a picture. This one looks so pretty over here. I like that front entrance. Wow, there's a ton of people over there. Well, considering they're going to close in an hour, I don't even know where I should go. Let me just go over here. You know what? Let me take a picture right there. So I'm gonna go in here. I mean, I want to keep going, but they're getting close in an hour. So I'll come back and take these pictures. No, I'm gonna take them right now, because then I'm gonna forget. I'm gonna take pictures. I need to take pictures. Gotta come back over here. Let me take pictures over here. Ooh, I like that door. It's closed off over there. I really hope you didn't see that girl's panties up there. Seriously. Oh, this is so steep. I feel like an old lady, seriously. Oh, must have fallen. I guess, I don't know. Oh, I like that light right there. It looks so pretty. Okay. So there were a bunch of Spaniards that just showed up where I was. I was gonna take a picture of a chair, but I'm waiting for someone to move out of the way, and then the person moves out of the way, and then 20 people show up. It's just the way it is, Dolores. You wait in line, and people don't care. Take a picture here. I'm so tired. Okay, so, I like these doors right here. I always like pictures of doors, for sure. Let me take some pictures. There are a lot of tourists here. Caution, wet floor. I need to take a picture right here. It looks so pretty. Okay, we'll just wait for these people to go by. Let's see. Oh, you. Oh,